Okay, so I'm headed towards some kind of exciting looking whatever. This is Kim from Reality Travel. I'm coming to you from Melbourne, Australia, and I am walking. I just passed Lionsdale Street. I am on Elizabeth Street, and so I just thought maybe as I walk down Elizabeth Street, I will take some nice videos and pictures, some short and some long, and I think I will come over here to get out of the traffic. And as you see, every country I go in, there's a lot of building going on. And this is a church here. This is St. Francis Church. This is Victoria's St. Francis Church, Victoria's oldest Catholic church. Okay, so now we know that. And Mitchell House. So really, like I said, I'm just walking down Elizabeth Street here in Melbourne, Australia. And got some exciting, I got a ways to walk before I get to something that is that exciting. Actually, I think I have to walk over a bridge. And you know what? I'm going to have to get some inserts for my shoes because I tell you, see my shoes, they're kind of flat, and I'm feeling that I need more cushion in my shoes. You gotta have, I couldn't find the same shoes that I had when I started off with, so we're still on Elizabeth Street, right at whatever that lovable Lionsdale, and so we're gonna cross over. I'll do another video as we get toward there. We're at a light, Lonsdale, that's the name of this street here. It's a pretty cool building right there. And so I'll come back. This is Kim from Reality Travel, Suitcase Traveler, SUITECASE, Traveler, TRAVERLER. Subscribe. I have over 125 videos now of all the countries that I've visited. I want to thank many of you for subscribing, visiting. I don't get any comments. That's kind of weird, but that's okay too. I'm moving up the chart just by everyone viewing the this kind of looks like a picture. These buildings looks like a picture. And I want to get a little further because there's something else up there that I kind of want to see. But once I get to the bridge, I thought I was going to cut the video off. I want to make sure that I have a steady hand. I didn't know that I was going to come this way, and that's why I didn't bring my camera. That's kind of weird, right? Again, this is Kim from Reality Travel, coming to you from Australia. I'm in Melbourne, Australia. I'm currently walking down Elizabeth Street, and I am actually having a great time just walking, but I think I want to get some inserts for sure for my shoes. So here's where I am. Let's see if you can see that. LaFork and Elizabeth Street. This is where I am. And you can do lots of shopping. You know, I think I want to cross over, but I think I'm late because both lights, red here, red there. Ah, there's the signal. That means that you can cross over. This is a pretty good picture. I think I want to get that. So, Kim from Reality Travel, out, Melbourne, Australia. Bye.